Hey, it's Nick here, and you're on the Transparent FX Academy. I'm a top author on TradingView, and it's time to make another full market breakdown to see exactly what kind of opportunities we can be looking for on the period that we will be analyzing both from a technical and an order flow perspective. So without further ado, let's jump onto the charts. Okay, so let's make another crypto breakdown. Today, I will be speaking about XRP USD and making another XRP prediction video to see where we can be looking for the next opportunity on XRP USD. Now, as usual, I will be keeping this analysis as educational as possible. But first, I have a big announcement to make. I have just created a channel here on YouTube that focuses only on cryptos. So you will get only the best crypto breakdowns, free education, analysis, and news on this channel, which I will post a screenshot here, and it's called Kryptonic Academy. I will also post a link in the description so you can go and check it out. I really suggest that you go and subscribe if you're interested in crypto analysis, crypto content, and more free education. So this will be the last crypto breakdown made on this channel. So I really suggest that you go and subscribe to the other channel for more crypto breakdowns. So let's get straight into the analysis that we have of the situation that we currently have here on XRP USD. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we have is a market which has just created an extremely strong monthly demand area. In fact, from here, the market had started all this move to the upside. Again, the market here tested and rejected the zone to the upside. Again, the market here tested and rejected this very strong demand zone to the upside. Again, here, the market tested and rejected this extremely strong monthly demand zone to the upside. And what we can see is that the market has just tested the previous month, again, this strong demand zone, and created a rejection to the upside. So on the monthly, we can see that we have just tested exactly the zone from which the previous bull run had started. And this is a quite important thing to keep in mind, because from here, this is a very strong demand zone for this market. Going down on the weekly time frame, what do we have? Now, from a weekly perspective, I had spoken about XRP USD a couple of times in the past. I spoke about XRP USD after this horizontal accumulation phase and explained all the reasons for which from here we expected the market to create this move to the upside. And in fact, that is exactly what the market did. And then we had the creation of this M formation. And generally speaking, after an M formation, what you want to have is the market to create a move to the upside to go and complete the pattern at the previous support, now turn resistance. So on the weekly time frame here, we expected the market to create a move to the upside. But there is a first upside target. The first upside target of an M formation is the 0.382 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse leg. Now, generally speaking, if you have an impulse in the market and you want to measure the correction, what you have to do is take your Fibonacci from the high to the low of the impulse, and you want to see the market test at least the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse. And in fact, that is exactly what the market did. And I had made also a breakdown of XRP USD when the market was here, explaining all the reasons for which we wanted to see exactly this move to the upside. And by the way, I will link both these two previous breakdowns and analysis in description, so you can go and check them out for further reference and more free education. You'll find them both linked in description. Now, at the moment, if we look at the current situation, what we can see is that we are testing again the previous horizontal accumulation phase. Now, this is a very strong demand zone in the market. And what we can see is that the market has first created a break and close below it with this red candle. Then the market has closed back above it with this green candle. And currently, the market is again retesting the zone. Now, this is a textbook fake breakout. When you see a horizontal level of structure, in this case, the horizontal level of structure is this accumulation phase, and the market breaks below the area and then breaks back above and closes back above the zone, at that point, what you usually expect is for the market to retest this structure and create a rejection to the upside. This is what the market creates most of the times when it basically prints a fake breakout. And in this case, what we had is a fake breakout of this horizontal accumulation phase, which is a strong demand zone for a market even in the future when the market goes and retests it. In fact, this is exactly what we see. Fake breakout to the upside, break and close back above, retest and rejection. So from a weekly perspective, we can expect more continuation to the upside. Going down on the daily time frame, we can see that, first of all, I had spoken about XRP USD also when the market had created this overextended W formation here. When the market was at this level, I made a full breakdown explaining all the reasons for which we wanted to see the market create this move to the downside. And again, that is exactly what the market did. But at the moment, what do we see? Now, at the moment, we consider the market has been moving in this channel here, creating a lot of sideways price action. Now, if you're asking yourself why, it's because at the moment there is a lot of uncertainty around XRP USD is getting delisted from a lot of exchanges, and we are all waiting for the outcome of, or at least to see what will happen when there will be the first date of the XRP lawsuit that the SEC has filed. So we're all waiting to see what will actually happen here. However, from a price action standpoint on the daily, we are still above daily support. The previous daily support was this area here, which after the market broke it to the downside was turned resistance here and resistance here. But now that the market has broken again above it, this area is obviously acting again as support, and the market has already rejected it 3 times. And the market has also just printed this candle here. Now, obviously, we still don't know if this will be the actual shape of today's daily candle, but if in 11 hours and 24 minutes, this candle will actually close with this shape, what we can expect is for the next candle to fill in this wick. This is a pattern that you see very often in the market. If you see a green candle with a very long wick, bigger than the body, if the wick is bigger than the body and the body is green, you expect the next candle to fill in the wick. This is something that happens quite often. Obviously, we're speaking about percentages here and probabilities. More than 50% of the times, the market does a fill in the wick. So it's added confluence for a potential longing opportunity. However, the way in which we will be approaching this kind of situation with students is as usual being reactive and not predictive. At the moment, XRP USD is still below structure and it is below resistance. The previous high here on the daily time frame is this previous resistance, which is now again resistance here. And we have already seen that there is so much uncertainty in the market, and by reflection, the market is moving sideways. So basically what we actually have at the moment is a market which is bounded. It is bounded in between the resistance that it has here and the support that we have at this area, as we have just identified. So until this market will remain bounded in between this resistance and support, looking for an opportunity doesn't give high probabilities nor a high risk to reward. And as you know, trading is all about probabilities and risk to rewards. So until the market will remain bounded in this area with students, we will not be looking for any kind of opportunities on XRP USD, because simply there are better pairs with better probabilities and better risk to rewards. However, I wanted to give this update because many of you have asked for an update on the situation that we currently have. But at the moment, we have a range-bound market. Until the market will remain trapped in between this resistance and support, we will not be looking for opportunities in this market, because there are better markets with better probabilities and better risk to reward. However, if obviously you want to stay up to date and you want more crypto breakdowns, when this market will break either to the upside or to the downside, you can go and subscribe to my new cryptocurrency only channel, Cryptonic Academy. And again, the link is in description. If you made it this far in the video, it would be great if you can smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the channel and support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. I have a full mentorship program that will teach you exactly the rules of my rule-based strategies, and also give you every single day a new market breakdown in which I show you exactly how to apply the strategies with entries, stops, and take profits, as well as answering every question that you have every single day, including the weekends. So it's a very complete program. It will teach you everything that you need to trade the market consistently. So I will see you in it. The link is in the description, or I will see you in the next video.